Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a Beyblade X. Hasbro Knife Shinobi 480 High Needle and Keel Shark 380F. Let's go, shall we? Oh, good. You guys will be seeing this very soon. Even though I'm kind of late recording this because I got this Friday and it's Sunday already. And the heat just got to me, so I was out for a bit because of work. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, here we go. Here's Keel Shark. Definitely really can't wait for this. Here's the QR code. Here's Night Shinobi. Really can't wait for this one. I was going to do something with Naruto, but I'll just wait for the other one. Because I didn't feel like doing that right now. Oh shit. Let's get the Hasbro exclusive. Have to wait for July 22nd for the actual main one. This is the first high needle because we haven't gotten night lance yet for some reason. That kind of sucks, but who cares right now? Here is 460. I definitely like this recolor. This is the same one as one of the other random booster colors. Not random boosters. Three sets. So let's do a quick little battle. Okay, let's go. Quickly launch it. Ow. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.